Hello guys, welcome back to Minis. We will paint today some Sylvaneth for the Blood Fairies Warband for Warcry. We will focus today on the bark. As you can see here, I prepared some Spite Revenants as a reference for the bark. As you can see, I have not glued them together because I prefer to paint them separately. It gives me more control over the zenithal highlight and on the other parts of the body, because I want to paint them with an airbrush, and it is for me personally easier to do it. So let's do it. Let's prime the parts with black and leave it to dry, of course. After the primer dried, I have put the two parts together. They are still not glued to each other, but the primer after it's dried is a little bit rubbish, so don't need to glue them together. You can simply put them to each other and they will stick to each other. So for this point we need some zenithal highlight that I will do with Vallejo ink. After you highlight it with ink, leave it to dry. After the highlight, this is the result you're looking for. As you can see, I did the same for my Dryad. It's exact the same way. After the highlight dries, we need some agarose dunes, and we will cover the whole miniature with this contrast paint. After that, leave it to dry. After agarose dunes dried, this is the end result. For both parts. The second reason why I do not paint them glued together, because as you can remember from the Gossamet archers, for example, I needed a better handling of these parts between the legs and the body, and due to this I can reach those places easier. So after you painted those places red, you can glue these parts together. For the final highlight, I used Paintblade Brown from Citadel to paint the most reached out parts of his legs and upper body. I hope you liked this short tabletop standard tutorial. If you liked it, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope I will see you next time. Bye bye!